Hey guys, how are you? So I was out most of the day and I couldn't record a video reading the book or the thought of the day today. But so I'm back. But I thought I will record a video because I've started enjoying recording videos on the channel, and I hope in some time or even right now there are people who are watching these videos and they're finding some value, uh, although there are just 70 subscribers on the channel right now. But I hope that the way I'm going to use this channel is like I'm talking to friends. uh, this is me just talking, and it's about life, it's about happiness, it's about motivation, it's about how to largely stay alive and be happy. That's what the channel is largely about. Although I'm reading books on the channel, I am finding thoughts that we can learn from on the channel. But largely the channel is about learning how to be alive better and happier. Uh, what I really wanted to talk about in the video today is that, especially in the context of 2020, uh, a lot of people have lost a lot this year. About 1.5 million people have lost their lives. That's 15 lakhs people, as per Indian currency, the way we use numbers. 1.5 million people lost their lives. Millions others have lost their livelihoods. And they aren't even anywhere on social media because they are struggling with their reality right now. They're struggling with the reality that they have been thrown into uh, without any fault of theirs. Um, the question that I really wanted to address in this video today is it okay to feel low? Is it okay to not feel at the top of our spirits, to not feel motivated, to not feel spirited all the time? And the answer is yes. Although on my channel I'm always trying to motivate people, I'm always trying to inspire people, I'm always trying to make people happy. And that's something I'll continue to do. However, it is okay to have days uh, when you feel just low, when you don't feel on the top of your spirits, when you don't feel inspired, when you don't feel motivated. It's okay, it's fine. The thing is that we're all human beings, and as human beings we have limitations, we have emotions, and all that we're trying to do in our lives is to arrive at a better emotion. And a better emotion is happiness. A better emotion is joy. A better emotion is love. All of us want to feel loved. We want to feel happy. But there are times when life takes over. When our planning goes for a toss. A lot of people before this year started would have had plans for 2020. A lot of people would have started their businesses right at the end of 2019 or in the beginning of 2020. A lot of people put their life savings into work that they felt they wanted to do for the rest of their lives. I know a few people who quit their jobs towards the end of 2019 to pursue something they loved, because they did not like what they were doing with their jobs. And suddenly came the virus in March and April in India, and the country got locked down. Different countries got locked down at different periods in time. America got locked down also in April, I believe. Europe got locked down before that. Italy was the first country to lock down. So there are things that happen beyond our control. Coronavirus has been absolutely beyond our control. Pandemics like the virus, like the viruses that have come before this, floods, tsunamis, stuff like this happens. uh, even if stuff like this doesn't happen, uh, there are events in our lives, in our everyday lives, where we lose control of reality. There's only so much planning we can do in life. There's only so much planning. When we plan, we may plan for contingencies, but a contingency like the virus, which absolutely changed the way the world looks like, you could not have planned for it. Uh, their breakups, their divorces, uh, businesses fail when they look great right in the beginning. Although the word of startups is booming right now, but most businesses fail. That stays as a reality. Uh, so allow yourself to be human. Allow yourself. I'll keep trying to motivate you on this channel. I'll keep reading my book. I'll keep sharing thoughts of the days every day as much as possible. I'll also be reading my books, which are largely about how to feel better, how to feel happier, how to feel loved or loving. Those are all my books are about that. All my books are largely about how to be happy. That's all. Like, I have written fiction, I've written poetry, I've written non-fiction. Whatever I've written, uh, everything is about, in the end, it's about how to be happy. I'll keep doing that. I'll keep sharing those videos. But today I wanted to just say that it is okay to be sad. It's okay to feel low at times. It is okay, because we are human, and it's an emotion that takes over us. Uh, when we can't do anything about it, we try as hard as possible, but stuff happens, and it is painful, and that's okay. So if you've struggled this year, if you struggled in 2020, I want to say that you will be fine. You will be fine. You will be able to get yourself out of it. The virus will slowly die. It'll go away, uh, because people are wearing masks, and the numbers, at least in India, thankfully, are going down. So do not beat yourself up. Uh, if you feel sad or if you feel low, it's important to not feel guilty about it. There are multiple. There's a gamut of negative emotions that takes over in life, right? And we need to segregate those emotions. Uh, Sadness is an emotion. Feeling low is sadness. Guilt is another negative emotion. Uh, I think guilt is one of the most negative of all emotions. Guilt is guilt is more harmful than sadness. Guilt is more harmful than sadness. When we feel guilty, is because we feel that we could choose or somehow change the reality, and we're not doing it. When we feel guilty, we feel that we could somehow do something else which we are not doing, and that causes us to feel really, really deep level of anguish and pain. So if you feel sad, if you feel low, allow yourself to feel sad or low without attaching guilt to it. The worst two negative emotions, although I'm not sure what's the difference between guilt and regret, probably guilt is the most negative of all emotions. We can allow ourselves to be sad, we can allow ourselves to be low, but the emotion that can really destroy us inside is guilt. So do not mix guilt when you feel sad or low. Allow yourself. Let there be pure sadness. Do not feel guilty about it. And this period will pass, and you will fight yourself. You'll fight your way out of it. If you're watching this stuff, if you're watching my channel, you want to feel inspired, you want to feel motivated. You are a hardworking person, and you can find your happiness. All right, so that's all I wanted to say. This is all this video is about. So keep let me know in comments the kinds of videos you want me to make. Right now I'm doing two videos mostly on most days. One is a thought of the day video where we're trying to learn something new from a thought by a great person, and I'm also reading my book Happiness in Your Skin, and later I'll be reading the other books. This channel is largely me talking to me sometimes in videos like these, and I'm just talking as I'm talking to friends. That is the purpose of this entire channel, to make friends. Thank you for watching. This is Amar, and you'll be good. Yeah.